Hi, this is Cousin Russ. I thought I would share with you my first experience at using the new plugin for Family Tree Maker called the Family Book Creator. This is my first book, and I'm just going to quickly run through what is in it. I didn't spend a heck of a lot of time with the details as I blogged about earlier, but let me just start in by showing you what it looks like. Okay, this is in Microsoft Word, which is the program that will read a RTF, rich text formatted file, and this is what it starts out looking like. You see a bunch of characters and words and a lot of funny looking stuff up there, and all kinds of stuff. So let's change our mode a little bit, because this is all I point this out because you can tell that you can edit anything that's here. It's in Microsoft Word. It is no longer part of Family Tree Maker. It was created from Family Tree Maker using a plugin, but it can be edited. I'm going to look at the read mode. Now it looks a little bit cleaner, but I'm going to add one other feature that I have available, and that is views and the navigation bar. So this is the title page, and this was the two people that I started with, and I didn't have to put the compiled information there. It was generated by the program. There is the copyright information that all I had to do when I started the program is put in the author's name, which is me, and it automatically populated that page. And there's the forward, and I'm sorry, the earlier page. I didn't spend any time here, but this is that page that I talked about in the overview earlier. This is the forward. I did not enter any information in the forward. This is what was offered by the program, and I can go back and edit it, but this really gives you a good idea of what's in the book, and certainly because you can edit it, you can change whatever you want, and it's a great feature. You have the opportunity to edit it. I'm going to go to the table of contents. I did not have to do anything in a table of contents. It was automatically generated for me with all the page numbers, and you can tell that it starts at the home person, and I'll tell you what that means in a minute. The home person, the first generation, the second, third, and fourth generations are in here. And then at the end is the bibliography and the index. So let's look at the introduction. And again, this is all generated. For this example, I did not change anything that was offered by the program. What I really liked about this, it explains what the plus sign and what Roman numerals mean. It explains all that stuff, and it says who the family of the starting person. But here's some interesting things that are calculated for us, and that is that there's 321 individuals, 172 male and 149 female, and there was the oldest oldest living male was my dad, which I didn't realize that, and he died when he was 89. So that's interesting statistics right up front, that again, this was automatically generated by the program. So let's look at the starting person, which is my great-grandfather. And actually it goes back to his parents, because here is the ones that the book was about, and it goes back two more generations. And you notice notes that the pictures are there. So the pictures that are associated with the person is automatically put in the tree. Now I'm just going to scroll down, and you start seeing the text and the person's picture, and all the facts that I have in the file are put in sentence format, and there is footnotes. And as footnotes, actually it's not end note, it's footnotes. And you notice that this is the next page with his wife. Right there on the same page are the citations, and there's all the footnote numbers, and there they are right on that page. Let's go down to my grandfather. And again, it goes back from my grandparents back 2 more generations, and I have pictures, and those are the pictures that I have in the file. Oh, by the way, that's the same picture on 2 people because they were sisters, and that was a picture of the sisters. So that's the 2nd generation. We can go on down, and we'll go to the next generation, which is my parents, and I don't have the right pictures in there, which I will add, but this is just I didn't spend any time setting this. I just let the program do its thing. So you go down through the generations, and I'm scrolling down the left-hand side, which is the navigation, and I get down to the bibliography. This is all automatically generated. I did not have to do this, and so there's my bibliography. And for those who have been following my blog, this is the beauty of having your citations in the template format. That is very clean and crisp format, and if I scroll down, then it's going to get a little bit dirtier because I haven't put them into the proper format. I added, for this purpose, I added the places index. So this is all the places that are in the database. And for an example, here's a cemetery. That's because I've used the features within Family Tree Maker. They let me put in the cemetery, and I found, just by going through this, that I need to fix this one, so I will do that, and then they will appear here. So it has the page number, so if I want to see who is buried in that cemetery or who lived in Brownsville, Texas, I know who they were and where they are. And here is the index of individuals. So this is everybody who is in this book and what page they're on by surname. So that is a quick summary of what is in my first book. Like I said, I just installed the program, and I had the program create this book, and I didn't spend it didn't take me more than a couple minutes just to generate the file. So that's a quick overview of what my first book was that was done by the Family Book Creator, and I will probably be doing some more step-by-step information on how to use it and have a cleaner copy, but I wanted to get it out there so you could see what it looked like. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.